In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use tags in Zoho CRM. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, we need to head to the Zoho website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Zoho's main page, which you can find at zoho.com. Zoho offers a wide range of tools for various business needs, and today we're zeroing in on CRM, which helps manage customer relations effectively. Once you're on the site, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the sign in button easily visible on the page. If you're already familiar with Zoho, you'll know that logging in is a simple process. For those using Zoho for the first time, you'll have to fill in your credentials, or possibly create an account if you haven't done so yet. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to Zoho Home. This is essentially your dashboard where you'll find all the Zoho apps you have access to. Locate and select the Mail app. Yes, we're starting from here because it's the quickest route to finding your tasks. Clicking on Mail will bring you to your email interface, which is seamlessly integrated with the CRM tasks functionality. Next, direct your attention to the To-Do section. It's here that you can manage all your tasks in one place. This feature enables you to see what's pending, prioritize your work, and track your progress. Now, to create a new task, simply click on the New Task button. This is where the magic happens. You can input details such as the task's name, due date, priority, and any additional notes or information that will help you remember what needs to be done. Once you've filled in the essential details, save the task. Zoho CRM makes task management straightforward, providing a seamless way to keep everything organized and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. And there you go. In just a few minutes, you've set up a task within Zoho CRM, integrating another layer of efficiency into your workflow. By utilizing this task feature, you can minimize the juggling act of multiple responsibilities, ensuring you stay on top of your business activities. Thank you for going through this tutorial with me, and I hope it helps you manage your tasks more effectively.